everybody, today we're going to draw ADHD from Dogman. So first we just draw a circle, then we draw a line in the middle. After drawing a line, we need to make a line for the arms. Two lines. Fingers. Stripes. Now we'll start the other hand. Now we're going to start the leg. We're going to do start the feet. Now we're going to start the shoe. You can see I coloured in some of the shoe. Now we're going to do the other shoe. We're going to do the other leg. Now we're going to add the sandals and the stripes. And then we make his flip-around mask and the cape. I'll do the grass. And if you want to animate it, you can do Flipperama. Just go on the next page and draw it again, but you can make slight changes.